Hello my dear children. Today we will begin with practice set 13 of the chapter HCF and LCM. Practice set 13 reads, find the LCM, that is least common multiple. Now there are two ways of finding the LCM of a number. I'm going to show you both the methods and we will be solving the sum using method 2 basically, because this is useful for you on a long term. Okay, so pay attention very carefully. So the method 1. First question says 12 and 15. These are the two numbers that we are going to find LCM of. So I will first find factors like we generally do. We will do it as we do it for HCF. We are going to use the same method, but it is going to be a little different at the end. Okay, so pay careful attention. So I'm going to find factors of the number 12 first. So I'll find factors of 12. 2 6 are 2 3s are 3 1s are. And the factors of 15. 3 5s are and 5 1s are. We will write factors of 12 and 15. So I will write here factors of 12 and factors of 15. Factors of 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and this is 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, now we are supposed to find or write the LCM of 12 and 15, which is equal to. Now in HCF we generally circle the numbers that are common. So we will circle the numbers that are common here also. So I will be circling it. I circle the number 3 and I circle this number 3. They are common here. Okay, so I write it down only once. Now anything else is common? No. So whatever is remaining also we will write down here. This is the only change that we make from HCF to LCM. In HCF we only write the common factors down, but in LCM, after writing the HCF, that is after writing what is common down, we copy down everything that is remaining. Okay, so after we multiply 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, we get the answer 60. So the LCM of the number 12 and 15 is 60. Let's move on to method 2. Now method 2 is even more simpler. So but we are going to factorize both the numbers together. So the number was 12 and 15. So I will write here 12, take a little gap, put a comma and write 15. Now I am going to factorize it together. Okay, understand this. So I'll write with 2 because here this is divisible by 2, but this is not divisible by 2. So it's okay. We will write here 2 6 are 12. Now this was not divisible by 2. So we will straight away copy the number down. Again this is divisible by 2. We will write here 2 3s are. And again this is not divisible by 2. So we copy it down. Now this number is divisible by 3 and this also is divisible by 3. So I write here 3. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay, now we got 1 here. So no tension. Here we have to take 5. So 5, 1 will come down as it is. And this will also become 1. 5 1s are 5. now we have found out the factors all together. So there is no issue. We can straight away write LCM of 12, 15 is, write all these numbers down. We have directly got the numbers now. And when we multiply it, the answer is 60. So as you see that this method is even more easier, but we can find only LCM using this method. Okay. We will be using this method to solve the rest of the practice set. I will show you one more sum related to the method 1, where there will be 3 numbers here, so that it becomes easy for you to understand. Boys, you all are free to use any method that you want for solving your practice set, but I would suggest you to go with method 2, because when you go to higher standards and when you have to find LCM, this will be more helpful to you. Okay, so this is sum number 2. Sum number 2 is 6, 8 and 10. We will find the LCM using the method 2. Okay, I have already created this so that we save time on the video and the video does not become very long. Okay, so we will begin with the number 2. Since all the numbers are even number, everything is divisible by 2. So I will write here 2 3s are 6, comma 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now is there any other number that is divisible by 2? Yes, this. So we'll again take a 2 here. Now 3 will not go, so we'll write 3 as it is down. 2 2s are 4, and we'll write 5 as it is. Then we go with the 2 again, so we'll write it 2. 3 will come down. We will write here 2 1s are 2, and we will write here 5 again. Now we'll go to the next number, that is 3. So we'll write here 3 1s are 3, and the 5 will come down as it is. The only number remaining is 5. I'll write here 5, 1 1, and 5 1s are 5. So the LCM of all these numbers will be all these numbers multiplied. So we'll write here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So if we are not doing it by the earlier method, we don't have to find what is common and there will be no confusion here. We can direct away take all these factors and write here. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. I'm just doing it easier for you. Let me just underline. When you group it, it becomes easier to multiply. So 2 2 2 8. 3 into 5 is 15. 8 into 15 is 120. So the LCM of the number 6, 8 and 10 is 120. Okay. Moving to sum number 3, that is 18, 32. So both these numbers will be divisible by 2. So we will begin with 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2, carry 1. 2 6 are 12. Again this will go in 2 times table, so we'll write a 2. We'll copy down 9 as it is. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So we completed with 2 here. Now we'll begin with 3. So 3 3s are 9. Copy down 1. 3 1s are 3 and copy down 1. So the LCM of 18 and 32 is all these numbers multiplied. So we'll write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 1 2 3 4 5 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 times 2. Okay, now we have to multiply all these numbers and find out. Again, grouping makes it easy, so let's group them and find out. Okay, I'm multiplying all the two because I find it easier this way. You can take group of 2 2 2 and then multiply it and then multiply it further, no problem. So what I'm going to do is 2 multiplied 5 times will be 32, and 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, 32 into 9 is 288. So the LCM of 18 and 32 is 288. Moving to sum number 4. Now sum number 4 has 3 numbers here, so we will try it with method 1 so that you understand how to do it with method 1 when there are three numbers there also. So this sum I am not doing it by method 2, I will only do it by method 1. You are supposed to do it by method 2 as well as method 1 for this sum only. Okay, rest you can just do by method 2, no problem. Okay, so I'll factorize according to the method 1. I will factorize the number 10. So I'll write here 10. So I'll write here 2 5s are 5 1s are. Now I'll factorize 15. 15 is 3 5s are 5 1s are, and the last number is 20. So I'll write 2 10s are, 2 5s are, and 5 1s are 5. So these are the factors of these numbers. We'll write down the factors. 2 into 5 for 10. For 15 it is 3 into 5, and the last is 2 into 2 into 5. Now we have to pick the common ones. Okay, so I'll circle what is common in all of them. So I have circled here 5 and 5. Okay, so 5 is common here. I'll write here 5. Now what else is common? Now we can take common between 2 also here, so no problem. So I'll see here there is 2 common here and 2 is here. 2 and 2. Here there is no 2, no problem. So we'll write these as 1. So 2. Now what else is remaining? We will write down 3 into 2, which is equal to 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, and when you multiply it, the answer is 60. So the LCM of all three numbers is 60. When you must have observed this method is quite a long method to find LCM as compared to the method 2. So I would suggest you to go with method 2 only. Okay, so we'll move to the next sum.